Hi guys, I just bought this chainsaw, electric chainsaw. God gave us a house and they had a lot of trees in the yard, so we want to cut off some of them. So it's shaped really sharply, but it's okay, everything is in there. So I just want to put it together just in case anybody bought this same VEHPRO 16-inch electric saw. All right, let's dive right in to see how to put it together. When I first brought it, I'm like, what is all this? How do I put all this together? It came with its own tools. All these are the tools and the parts of the saw. But the manual didn't say a step by step on how to put it together. So I'm like, how do I put this together? Even the diagram. But I am grateful to God because I'm a Christian. I have the Holy Spirit. So the Holy Spirit teaches you all things, no matter how small or big. So he taught me how to put this together. That looked kind of weird, but that's true. The Holy Spirit is our teacher, is our guide, is our help. So I'm just going to put it together so in case you have the same issue or you bought the same, you just watch this video. I pray by God's grace you'll be able to know exactly how to put it together. So we have some screws here and some other parts. So the first we want to put is the guard. It has two screws over here. They are the little short screws, the little ones. Are the ones for the guard. So the guard goes here. Okay. All right. One screw in and one screw in. All right. This is something you use your Phillips, but I'm just gonna use a power tool. All right. So the next thing what we do is the handle. You use the little bigger, two little bigger screw to put in the handle. Nice and tight. All right, so this side, we're gonna put the chain in here, loosen this long bolt. The saw, and this is the chain. Be careful because this is a little sharp, so you don't hurt yourself. So when you put this together, you follow the direction like that. So this chain has to face one side, like that. Okay, so put it in like this. This should latch inside in between the saw. All right. So there's a little hose right there. All right. Yeah, should be like that. But before that, you have to put these parts. So this goes into this hole right here. This goes into that hole right there, like that. So you have to set it up such a way that this, see, out like that. So, and then this goes in like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, so you put that like that, and then, yep, right there. And then you fix it like that. All right, so by the time we tighten it up, it's gonna square up. All right, so this is gonna be here. Okay. At this point, we can actually cover it up and put the big casing on it. Yeah, don't worry about the chain falling off right now. That's why the parts on the bottom is in there. All right, so you get this and tie it in. And to make the chain goes in, we have to use this. See? This 3 points goes into that 3 points on the bottom. And then you use this to put that in there. So that's pretty much how to put this saw together. By the time you put this in, you should be able to have a perfect chain. All right, so we have our complete chain saw put together. So when you're done, you can now use this to adjust the chain to how you want it. All right. All right, so well and good. We have a complete chainsaw. So there's this other two parts that's left. So I was like, where does those go? That was just extra that is supposed to be in here. Supposed to be in here. So if you open in here, there's already one built in. I guess this thing burn out from time to time, so they put extra two in there for you. But yeah, that's it right there. So that's how to put this electric chainsaw together. So whenever I'm ready to use it, I will also post a video of the performance of this saw. Thank you very much. All right, bye.